Hello, Pioneer. Did you know that the PiNetwork project is different from other projects that have existed? This project is unique. If you believe it, write in the comments, PiNetwork to the moon. Make sure you click the subscribe button to Pi News World. Oh, wow, Pioneer. Did you know that you have already become a millionaire because of PiNetwork? Don't forget to like and comment on this video. PiNetwork has completed its Mainnet migration, sparking speculation on PiCoin's next price move. While the coin surged 28% post-migration, it later corrected by 14% due to unmet expectations and ongoing concerns. Will PiCoin see further growth, or is more downside ahead? Read this expert analysis to learn what's next for PiNetwork and its cryptocurrency. PiNetwork has officially completed its long-awaited Mainnet migration, a crucial step in its journey toward mass adoption. With the migration finalized, investors and crypto enthusiasts are keen to understand what lies ahead for PiCoin's price movement. Will it soar to new highs, or are there challenges that could limit its growth? Migration completion. PiNetwork successfully concluded its mainnet migration, requiring users to complete KYC verification. Price movement. PiCoin surged 28% after migration but faced a 14% correction post-Pi Day celebrations. Exchange listing. No official confirmation on listings on major exchanges, though speculation is high. Expert predictions. Mixed opinions. Some anticipate further growth while others highlight risks. Potential challenges. Centralization concerns, technical difficulties and lack of liquidity due to restricted exchange listings, utility and adoption, PiNetwork expanding its ecosystem with apps and services to drive real-world use cases. Future roadmap plans for full decentralization, smart contract integration and marketplace expansion. PiNetwork's mainnet migration marks a significant milestone, but its future remains uncertain. While PiCoin showed promise, with a price surge, its recent correction highlights the challenges ahead. Whether PiCoin sees mass adoption or struggles to gain traction will depend on how the PiNetwork addresses technical issues, decentralization concerns, and exchange listings. What is PiNetwork? PiNetwork is a cryptocurrency project aiming to create a decentralized digital currency accessible to everyone. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires energy-intensive mining, PiCoin can be mined using a smartphone, making it more eco-friendly and inclusive. PiNetwork's mainnet migration, what it means for users. The mainnet migration is a critical phase where PiNetwork transitions from its enclosed test environment to a fully operational blockchain. This process required users to complete Know Your Customer (KYC) verification by March 14, 2025. Those who failed to do so forfeited a significant portion of their mined Pi, leading to concerns within the community. Why is this migration important? Enhanced security. The migration improves blockchain integrity and security. Easier transactions. A fully functional blockchain allows seamless transactions and smart contract deployment. Potential exchange listings. A migrated mainnet increases the chances of PiCoin being listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. Wider adoption. Developers can now build applications on the PiNetwork, enhancing its utility. PiCoin's price surge and correction. Following the migration deadline, PiCoin experienced a significant price surge, climbing 28% from $1.35 to $1.73 on March 14, 2025. This increase was fueled by speculation that PiNetwork could soon be listed on major exchanges. However, the excitement was short-lived, as PiCoin saw a 14% correction shortly after. Analysts attribute this dip to unrealized expectations about exchange listings, ongoing concerns about network decentralization, technical issues during the migration process, low liquidity as users have limited avenues to trade PiCoin. Expert predictions. Where is PiCoin headed next? Market analysts have divided opinions on PiCoin's future price movement. Bullish scenario: PiCoin could reach new highs if PiNetwork can address decentralization concerns, improve mainnet adoption, secure exchange listings, increase real-world use cases, build a thriving ecosystem of apps and services. Then PiCoin could see a significant price increase, potentially surpassing its all-time highs. Bearish scenario: PiCoin may face more downside. On the flip side, if the network fails to list on major exchanges, struggles with technical issues, lacks widespread adoption, faces regulatory challenges, then PiCoin could continue to decline in value as investor interest wanes. How to trade or hold PiCoin? Since PiNetwork operates in a closed mainnet, PiCoin is not yet listed on major exchanges. However, users can